And lastly, and most importantly, we have come to the reports screen. This screen we will use to generate all of the reports throughout the application. And while I will be updating the reports intermittently by adding new reports and customizing the existing ones, the overall format of the sheet will not change. And basically what we're going to do is we can make a single click on the left side menu to generate a report. And as we do that, certain reports, we will have the ability to filter based on certain criteria above within the header. For example, this staff profitability report, we do have the ability to change dates within the report via a date range filter. And we can simply select any date range filter and the report will be generated based on those from and to date ranges. Reports that do have this date range filter, we can go ahead and customize it as well to specific dates if we want. We can also customize it to any from or any to date, so that can be helpful, and that would be a custom range if the range you wanted is not in this specific report. We have reports such as monthly sales totals graph, monthly sales by item, sales by staff. We also have scheduled visits by appointment type. This can be really handy on a per month basis so that we can keep track of the appointment types and how often they are being scheduled, as well as an outstanding balance report, which is quite helpful when we're trying to track invoices that have gone unpaid. Staff commissions report, which is something that I mentioned briefly before, and if you remember, we can determine commissions based on the information we set up in the appointment types and service items here under commission amount. So once those items get invoices, we can then generate a staff commission report based on this information. So that can be really, really helpful when generating. We don't have any specific totals for this employee, but we can also select a specific employee, can select specific date ranges, and then get commissions based on that time frame. So this is really helpful when you want to generate. We also have commission totals here, as well as the total invoiced. We also have invoice appointments by staff, total sales by refer, daily payments and incomes for a specific date. So that can really benefit depending upon how you use the application. Regardless of the selected report, you always have the ability to email and print the reports. For emailing, simply click email and the report details will be displayed within the context of the email, and then you can go ahead and send that to whoever you email. And for printing the report, you can also just click on the print reports and it'll print to your default printer. You will find, maybe by the time that you're looking at this application, that the reports listed here are different than the ones I have, as I'm going to be adding them continuously. And if you have purchased one of the accounting versions, you may see lots of different accounting reports also within here. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching this series. If you have any questions, always feel free to message me for any reason at all. Thank you very much.